Hi, I'm Doug Fernandez, owner of Turnpike Motors Autobody in Newington, Connecticut. So when we started this project, the last time we remodeled our office was over 20 years ago. What's interesting about our office space here is that in the history of this company, which is now coming on its 50th year, the office space has been a number of different things. It was super important for us to find a company that could identify those challenges and make sure that they fit into a pretty tight plan.
My name is Janelle Castingway and I'm the design strategist at Infinity Group, and I work primarily with the furniture, fixtures, and equipment as well as the materials and finishes. We designed Turnpike Motors for aesthetic but also function for both the customers as well as the Turnpike team. A great example would be the reception desk, which serves as a welcoming area but also designed for the people also behind the desk as well.
I'm Daniel Hovey, front office manager of Turnpike Motors Autobody. Infinity Group was really good at coming up with different solutions to have us stay open temporarily. We were able to start the renovation in one room, get that ready as a temporary office. We were able to operate full strength through that whole process, and then when we were moving back into our brand new beautiful office, there was support there.
All our competitors were, making their place look great, and our place looked like it was in the 1960s, so it was time to make the place look as good as our product was. But we wanted to have a clean, sleek look that would, we needed something that worked for us, for our employees, that we could grow with, and we didn't have something like that. So this is the first work that's ever been done on the building that wasn't done by family.
What was kind of cool about our project is, again, we wanted it to be sort of inherently about ourselves, and we had a very good plan coming in, but as we started peeling back the layers of the tile and the floor and looking in the walls, we recalled that we had an old built-in frame and measuring system that was into the floor. So very quickly on, we collaborated with the design team and decided that we're going to skip the floor covering that we had selected, and we're going to move on to a polished concrete floor, and we're going to actually keep those details of metal and steel, highlight them, as part of our history, and it really came out fantastic. Like, that's probably the biggest compliment we get, is how cool the floors are because they represent the past for us.
The polished concrete is great for the durability for high traffic areas, but also gives an industrial exposed type look.
Turnpike Motors Autobody project serves as another example of an Infinity Group project delivered on time and within budget.
I was looking for a company that would help us, translate our vision of what the office should look like.
Infinity Group definitely helped us put what was in our minds down on paper and then actually apply it to an actual living space.
You can't control everything and you can't plan everything, but having that peace of mind that they were going to get us to the 100% mark and our project was going to be completed as we all had the common vision for, and being on board with getting our group here, not just me, but our whole group of people and employees to that 100% mark is a real differentiator and a real valuable asset that they bring as a partner in these projects.